Did you know that Portobello Road Market has been around since the 19th century? It's one of the most famous street markets in the world, attracting over 100,000 visitors every week. This vibrant market stretches for over 2 miles through the heart of Notting Hill in London. Originally it started as a fresh food market, but over the years it has evolved to include a wide variety of goods. Today you can find everything from antiques and vintage clothing to unique art pieces and delicious street food. The market is not just a shopping destination, it's a cultural experience reflecting the diverse and eclectic spirit of London. Whether you're a local or a tourist, a visit to Portobello Road Market is a must. Portobello Road Market is truly one of London's most iconic destinations. It's renowned for its vibrant atmosphere, diverse stalls, and rich history that draws people from all corners of the globe. Spanning over 2 miles, this market offers an eclectic mix of antiques, fashion, food, and unique treasures. Every Saturday, the streets come alive with vendors setting up their colorful displays, enticing visitors with an array of goods. From vintage clothing to rare collectibles, there's something for everyone. The market's history dates back to the 19th century, making it a place where tradition meets modernity. Whether you're a local or a tourist, Portobello Road Market promises an unforgettable experience. Navigating Portobello Road Market can be quite a challenge, especially for first-time visitors. The market stretches over 2 miles, filled with a vibrant mix of stalls and shops. With so many options, from delicious street food and unique antiques to one-of-a-kind finds, it can feel a bit overwhelming. The aroma of freshly baked pastries mingles with the scent of exotic spices, while the sounds of street musicians add to the lively atmosphere. Each stall offers something different, whether it's vintage clothing, handmade jewelry, or rare collectibles. It's easy to get lost in the maze of colors, sounds, and smells, but that's part of the charm. Taking your time to explore, you might just stumble upon a hidden gem that makes the journey worthwhile. Explore the various sections of the market, highlighting unique stalls, local vendors, and interesting stories behind some of the products, such as vintage clothing and delicious street food. Present a key moment where you discover a hidden gem or an extraordinary item that epitomizes the charm of Portobello Road, making the experience memorable. Summarize the highlights of your visit, emphasizing the market's vibrant culture and the joy of exploring its diverse offerings. Encourage viewers to share their favorite market experiences in the comments and to check out your other videos on London attractions.